How to open Chipotle Privacy Center and manage privacy choices. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chipotle's official website. In this website, click on your name at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on that, here, scroll down and click on Personal and Preferences. After you click on Personal and Preferences, scroll down, you'll find all your privacy center. You can change anything you want, and you'll also find your privacy choices, which is nutrition. And in this way, you can select tags and choose your nutrition preferences as well. And this is how to open Chipotle Privacy Center and manage privacy choices. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.